Good morning. In this class, we are going to do one problem in analysis. Prove that two metric spaces zero comma 1 and 0 comma 2 with usual metric is homeomorphic. Solution. Okay. The two metric spaces are homeomorphic means there exists a map 0, 1 to 0, 2. Then the map is a homeomorphism and it satisfies the following conditions. So first of all, f from, let a function f from m1 into m2 is said to be homeomorphism. If f is 1 1 and onto number 1. Number 2 is f is continuous. Number 3 is f inverse is also continuous. If these three conditions are satisfied, then this function is called homeomorphism. Two metric spaces are called homeomorphic. Okay. So now we have to define a map define a function f from 0, 1 into 0, 2 by f of x is equal to 2x. Now I am going to prove that f is 1 1. To prove that what? F is 1 1. F is 1 1. If f of x is equal to f of y, what is f of x? F of x is equal to 2x. F of y is equal to 2y. This implies x is equal to y. Therefore f is 1 1. Therefore f is 1 1. Therefore f is 1 1. Number 2 is to prove that f is onto. So of f is onto means this is 0, 1, this is 0, 2. Okay. If you take every element of this codomain, there exists a pre-image in the domain. So let y belongs to the closed interval 0, 1. So there exists y by 2 belongs to closed interval 0, 1. Whatever you value take here, that divided by 2 is also will be here. Okay. So therefore this is equal to, I am going to take it as x such that f of x is equal to y. Therefore F is onto. Therefore, F is onto. Therefore, F is onto. Number 3 is to prove that F is continuous. F is continuous. So, f of x is equal to 2x. No need to prove actually. Already we have proved in some other class. F of x is equal to x is an identity function. Therefore, trivially it is continuous. Whatever the epsilon is given, we can choose the same delta. So, therefore, f of x is equal to x is continuous. And constant function is also continuous. The product of constant and continuous function is also continuous. Therefore, f is continuous. Therefore, f is continuous. Okay. Or otherwise, let epsilon is greater than 0 be given. Let epsilon is greater than 0 be given. Okay, I can prove, no problem. So f from 0, 1 into 0, 2 by f of x is equal to 2x. Okay, let epsilon is greater than 0 be given. Okay, so this continuous in the sense modulus of continuous means what? But what is the what does it mean of meaning of continuous? So this function is already, we know that this is uniformly continuous. So let a belongs to 0, 1. Let a belongs to 0, 1. So modulus of f of x minus f of a is equal to modulus of 2x minus 2a. This is equal to 2 times of mod x minus a. Okay. So choose delta is equal to epsilon by 2 such that modulus of x minus a is less than delta. This implies modulus of f of x, the modulus of f of x minus f of a is less than epsilon by 2. In this case 2 will be cancelled, is less than epsilon. So therefore f is continuous at a. Therefore a belongs to 0, 1 is arbitrary. Therefore a belongs to close to 0, 1 is arbitrary. Therefore f is continuous. Or otherwise we can simply say that f of x is equal to 2 into x. F of x is equal to 2 into x. There are two functions, one is constant function, one is identity function. Every constant function is continuous, identity function is continuous. The product of two continuous function is also continuous. Simply I can say that f is continuous. So number 4 is to prove that f inverse is continuous. F inverse is continuous. So therefore define f inverse from 0, 2 into 0, 1 by f of x is equal to x by 2. Similarly, we can prove that 1 by 2 is a constant function, x is an identity function, both the functions are continuous. Therefore, clearly f inverse is continuous. So therefore f is 1, 1 on onto f is unknown onto continuous, and f inverse is also continuous. Therefore, f is homeomorphism. Therefore, 0, 1 and 0, 2 are homeomorphic. Thank you.